How to warp text in Affinity Designer. Go to the Layers panel, make certain the text is selected. Go down here and you've got 4 options. Go to the last one there and click and you'll see Mesh Quad Perspective. I'm just going to go with Mesh. You could select any of the others. Straight away you see you've got these nodes which you can use to distort the text. Simply go over here, Node Tool. Just uses the standard Node Tool and click and drag, and you can distort your text in all kinds of ways. You can also double click and you can add additional node points and distort it in even more ways. As long as you've got the warp group selected, you can then go up here and you can go for quad and it will put it back to the quad setting. Also perspective, also down to arc, also arc horizontal, bend horizontal, fisheye, as well as twist. Now you'll notice some of them, you will see this value appear. And you can modify that value, so you can just change it, just backwards and forwards, and it creates a twisting effect. If you go with the node tool selected, and you go to one of these nodes, you can modify that. But as soon as you do that, it will default to the word mesh. It's no longer a twist. You can again select the twist if you wish. You got the text here, it's still live, so if you want to, you can go here, expand this out, then select the text, and you can tweak it, just change it using the artistic text tool to modify it. But you can also, with this text, you can expand it and create it as a curve. So let's just go back up to the warp group, so warp group selected there, convert to curves. As soon as you do that, it's no longer a warped design. Well, it's warped, but unfortunately you can't modify it anymore unless you add an additional new warp. And you can do that again simply by going down here and selecting there and mesh there. But it just uses the newly warped design. Hope you found this tutorial of interest. Any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Always great to hear from you. Thank you much.